guys, how are you? So today we have another video. This one is February 2018 Birchbox, and I got it today along with another box. I will be filming that one as well, and so if you haven't seen my other videos, I will have them below, the ones that is the latest. But go and check out my channel. I have over 30 videos already, and we have since December. So to not make this introduction any further, we're gonna go into Birchbox opening, and this one is for the month of February, as I mentioned before, and it's a subscription that is $10 a month. Usually we get all sample sizes, so it's not really like a full kind of sample or like mid-time, you know, it's usually 5 little samples, maybe a bigger sample, but not really. So let's get to opening. Yes, it's Birchbox. So let's open this one. It actually has 2 boxes. Not that I enjoy opening all these boxes, but it's nice that you know, it comes with 2 boxes, so you don't break the other one out of courage. And I always have to break them because it's like, it's impossible to open this one. Oh, nice. And here we go. The box looks pretty. I don't know what it is. This one, if that one's blue, maybe it would look like a, you know, a flag, but it's not. It's like X's and I guess XO at the end. And then it doesn't have anything else other than that from Birchbox. So let's see what this box comes with today. And yes, I have to put those things away because it was driving me crazy. So let's see. So the box doesn't come with anything inside, but as soon as we open it, has that little thing. And let's see. It says, sleep in, do a face mask, go for a hike, take a road trip, call your mom, skip the gym, learn something new, sip champagne, paint your nails, meditate, write a book, sing in the shower, ask for that raise, look up at the stars, give someone a hug, be fashionably late, spritz on some perfume, pet a puppy, light a candle, try a red lip. And all those things I have tried. So whatever brings you joy in life, love, or work, we hope that this month's box inspires you to follow your heart. And maybe because it's from so it's kind of funny because like I was like reading the red letters. I'm like, does it try to say something? Maybe it's my OCD trying to talk to me. But it's for the month of February since it's Valentine's. So it's kind of nice. And then on the back it's all the products, and let's just not spoil that one. Actually for this box, I forgot that I could choose. So comes the end of the month and you have 3 options. Be completely surprised, which what happens was that completely surprised because I have no idea what the box comes. The second option is choose 1 out of the 5 samples, or choose a curated box, which they choose the samples and then you pick that option if you like those 5 samples. I was going to do one of those 2, but the problem was that I forgot. So comes the end of the month, and if you don't do it, then you miss the chance, and then that's it. They curate the box based on your profile, which I absolutely don't think that happens. They just put everything that is left over. So the first thing that we're going to see in this bag, which I have no idea what it has, says Wonder Eye Cream, Cream Miracle for the use. So it's for the eyes, 99% natural, and I have gotten this brand before, not the same thing, because I got something for my pimples, and I believe I opened that box on YouTube already when I was filming. But I really like this brand. Actually, I like the other things that I have gotten from it, and it's always like botanical smells to it, so it's nice. This one is 7 milliliters. So right there, and it's called Balance Me. So that's the first sample. Let's go into the second. I already have this actually, but it's not in the gentle. I got this for another of the boxes that I have, and it's actually very good. I mean, actually I'm using it, and it's like this your facial mini scrubber, and it's like a scrub you open, and this one you open it, and basically it says replace me whenever this thing actually goes away. So whenever you use it too much and you know it's already gone bad, then you can just like, you know, put it in the trash. But it's really nice because it's made out of cloth. So the one that I'm using is inside the shower, so whenever you leave it inside the shower, this is what basically goes away, the thing. It says right there. So it says replacement when this fades. So it's really nice. I mean, I have gotten it before. As I said, I've been using it. It works wonders. One side is like little gentle, and then the other one is not as gentle. It's kind of like rough. The third thing we got today is, what is this? High Performance Hair Care, and number 4. I guess that's the number 4. I don't know if that's the name of the brand. This is a Prep and Protect and Super Calm. So maybe it's like, yeah, it helps strengthen and repair last summer's too many weekends in Rio hair. Leave-in conditioner in detangling for all hair types, help prevent color protection. So that's nice. I wish I had just washed my hair, but let's just see what this smells like. It smells like, it does smell like more like a fragrance as you put in your body, like a perfume, but it smells really good. And this one is actually 1 fluid ounce right there. So it's it's nice for traveling purposes. So let's see the next one. I like the design. This one is like cool. Look, it's called Coola, and it has like a bluish turn color, depends on how you look at it, like shiny logo. This one is a mineral sunscreen, unscented matte tint. So I like matte, and it has SPF 30, so those are always great. Let's see, it has like a smell to it, but there's a foil right there, so I'm not gonna open it because I'm actually using a mineral sunscreen right now. And yes, I know that this ones go bad. For this one, it says has active ingredients, titanium dioxide 3.2%, zinc oxide 1.8. It's not a very big sample, and is water resistant for 40 minutes. So that's nice. So right there, it's only 0.17 fluid ounces. It's a very little sample, but you know, what can you expect for this box? You just don't expect too much. It's $10. So it gives you a chance to try all these little things, and then if you like it, then you go and buy it. But then you didn't have to spend, you know, the actual money, which these products usually tend to cost a lot more. So if you don't like it, then you can just put it away, and that's it. The next product, this one looks really funny. This is like a miniature MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. So look at how small this is compared to the palm of my hand. Let's see. Like the one might be miniature, like for my baby's eyelashes. So you open it. I'm gonna open it once. Whoa, that's humongous. Look at that. I'm gonna be trying that as well soon. The cap looks like plastic, like bendable plastic, and the other part is like hard plastic. So nice. So right there is a MAC. So very little sample, and the box is empty. So now we are going to go back into the card and read a little bit more about the brands. And let's see, I think I'm turning this around. So we're gonna read about that. So this one is fall in love with the pampering products below. So this is Balance Me. So the actual full size of this is $29. That's crazy. Brighten side and banish under eye circle with this botanical formula. Its ingredients including coconut rosehip and carrot oils, 99% natural, as I said before. And it's funny because I mentioned that it had a botanical formula, like smell to it. and that's how they describe it here. This one is the Kula, the Mineral Face SPF 30 and Scented Matte Tint. The full size of this is $36. That's crazy. Mineral-based BB cream that hydrates even skin tones, protects from UV rays, and has matte finish. Shake before using this, smooth a thin layer onto skin. Nice. I like that it's matte because I have oily skin, so even if you put it underneath your makeup, it makes it like a nice finish to it. So yes, the next thing is the Daily Concepts, which is this. It's a full size, is $8. And I believe this might be like a full size, because I mean, how are you gonna break a sponge in half? But yeah, using this dual texture facial scrubbing tool to gently yet effectively rid pores of dirty oil and grimes. Use morning and night along with water or with your favorite cleanser, and that's how I use mine. I have it in the shower, and I use it with my pimple curer. So basically it actually scrubs really good if you need it to in one side, and the other one is really soft. Then the next thing is the MAC Cosmetics, which is this one. It's in Extreme Dimensional 3D Black Lash Mascara. Full size is $23. I don't think I ever spend more than like $10 for mascara. I don't know about you guys, but like I don't like spending too much money. But many people love MAC products. So what lashes that are dimensional eye as you are. Swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. Nice. And then the last thing is the number 4 right here, which it was the name of the brand. Super Cool Calm Prep and Protect. The full size is $32. Shield your strands from heat damage and UV rays with this leave-in conditioner mist made with natural hydrators like blackcurrant and soy yogurt. Spritz onto hair, then comb. So that's nice. And then guys, I have seen this before, and I don't know if you paid attention, but when you want to, want to spread the joy of Birchbox subscription, for every friend you invite at birchbox.com/refer, after they subscribe, you will reward 50 free loyalty points. That's $5 to spend on anything you want to the shop. I actually don't have an affiliate link or anything. I will leave you the Birchbox website below, so if you want to subscribe, it's up to you. It's $10 a month, and if you have liked my products or you would like to choose your own products, I would recommend doing so, but it's $10. I mean, not everybody can spend $10 a month, so I will leave you to that, and I hope that you guys have a good night, and I will see you guys later.